Apple iPhone Air is finally here, and it's shaping up to be one of the sleekest devices Apple has ever made. Previously rumored as the iPhone 17 Slim, the iPhone Air is all about refinement, lightweight design, and powerhouse performance. Just 5.6mm thin and weighing only 165 grams, this phone feels like a true engineering feat. Before we dive deeper into everything it offers, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like so you don't miss out on future reviews. Now, let's talk design. Apple went all out with premium materials again, ceramic Shield 2 on the front and back, wrapped with a grade 5 titanium frame. It's thin, it's light, and it's built to last with IP68 dust and water resistance, making it safe to use in tougher environments. Plus, Apple Pay support with Visa, MasterCard, and Amex certification keeps mobile payments as smooth as ever. The display is another highlight. A 6.5-inch LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED with a 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10, and Dolby Vision. Brightness peaks at a massive 3000 nits, which means outdoor visibility won't be an issue at all. Add in the anti-reflective coating and ceramic Shield 2 protection, and this is one of the most durable yet stunning panels we've seen on an iPhone. Powering it all is iOS 26 with Apple's new A19 Pro chipset, built on a 3nm process. You're getting a hexa-core CPU, a 5-core Apple GPU, and performance that's designed to be both efficient and future-proof. Apps, games, and multitasking should run effortlessly, and combined with Apple's software ecosystem, this chip ensures smooth sailing for years to come. Storage options are generous with 256GB, 512GB, and even a massive 1TB version, all paired with 8GB of RAM. Apple sticks with NVMe storage for blazing fast read and write speeds, which means launching apps, editing videos, and handling large files happens instantly. No card slot here, but with these storage tiers, most users won't even notice the omission. Camera performance is a big talking point. On the rear, you've got a single but powerful 48MP wide lens with an f1.6 aperture, dual-pixel PDAF, and sensor shift OIS. It can shoot 4K at up to 60 frames per second with Dolby Vision HDR and stereo sound recording. The front camera is no slouch either, packing 18MP with OIS, HDR, 4K video, and even 3D spatial audio recording. Whether you're into vlogging, selfies, or professional content, this setup has you covered. Audio and connectivity are equally impressive. The iPhone Air has stereo loudspeakers, though like recent iPhones, it skips the 3.5mm headphone jack. Connectivity-wise, you're getting Wi-Fi 7 support, Bluetooth 6.0, advanced positioning systems including GPS, Galileo, GLONASS, QZSS, BDS, and even India's Nav-IC. Plus, there's NFC for payments and Apple's second-gen ultra-wideband chip for precise device tracking and spatial features. Battery life might raise eyebrows because it's a slim phone, but Apple fitted a 3149 mAh cell with fast 20W wired charging, capable of hitting 50% in just 30 minutes. Wireless charging supports both MagSafe and Qi2 at 20W, plus you get reverse wired charging at 4.5W. Not the largest battery on paper, but Apple's efficiency optimizations in iOS usually squeeze out reliable all-day use. The iPhone Air also comes loaded with features like Face ID, accelerometer, gyroscope, compass, barometer, and satellite-based emergency services including SOS, messaging, and Find My. All this in a slim frame shows Apple didn't compromise functionality for thinness. The phone comes in sleek color options, space black, cloud white, light gold, and sky blue, so there's something for every taste. And finally, let's talk pricing. At around €1,200, this is definitely a premium device. But given its ultra-slim build, flagship performance, and future-ready features, Apple clearly positions the iPhone Air as a status symbol and a tech powerhouse in one. If you're someone who values cutting-edge design without sacrificing performance, the iPhone Air might just be your next upgrade. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more deep-dive reviews on the latest tech.